In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to open and upgrade the RAM on the HP Envy All-in-One 34C1037 and HPC. If your system is getting slow or struggling with multitasking, upgrading your RAM is one of the best ways to boost performance. Before we begin, make sure you power off the PC completely and unplug all cables. Now, let's get started. To remove the door, lift the bottom edge of the door outward and pull it down. After removing the door, you will see SSD slots on the left and memory DIMM slots on the right. To remove a memory module, push both arms simultaneously to release the memory module. To install memory, align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory slot on the motherboard. Press down on the edge of the memory module until the arms click into place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Essentials for more tech tips and tutorials.